Best edible flowers you can grow at home. Did you know that some flowers are not just beautiful, they're also edible? In this video, I'll share the best edible flowers you can grow at home to add color, flavor, and fragrance to your garden and your plate. First on the list is nasturtium. This vibrant flower has a peppery taste, similar to arugula. Both the flowers and leaves are edible. You can use them in salads, pasta, or as colorful garnishes. Second is calendula, also known as pot marigold. These bright orange or yellow flowers have a mild, slightly spicy flavor. They are often used in soups, rice dishes, and even herbal teas. Third is pansy. These small, delicate flowers come in various colors and have a mild, grassy flavor. They're perfect for decorating cakes, drinks, and fruit salads. Fourth is viola, a cousin of pansy. These tiny flowers are sweet and slightly floral. They can be frozen in ice cubes, added to desserts, or used as edible decorations. Fifth is borage. This star-shaped blue flower tastes like cucumber. It goes well in drinks, salads, and cold dishes. Borage flowers are also known to attract pollinators. Sixth is lavender. Known for its calming scent, lavender also has a sweet floral taste. It's great in desserts, herbal teas, and infused syrups, but use it sparingly due to its strong flavor. Seventh is chamomile. These daisy-like flowers are popular for making tea. Chamomile has a sweet, apple-like taste and calming properties. Eighth is hibiscus. The bright petals of hibiscus are tart and tangy, often used in drinks like hibiscus tea or cold infusions. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Ninth is rose. Rose petals are edible if they are free from pesticides. They have a subtle, sweet flavor and are used in syrups, desserts, and teas. And 10th is chive blossoms. These purple flowers from the chive plant have a mild onion flavor. They're perfect for salads, soups, and savory dishes. Before eating any flower, always make sure it's safe, organic, and grown without chemicals. Not all flowers are edible, and some can be toxic, so never eat a flower unless you're sure it's safe. Growing edible flowers at home adds color to your garden and flavor to your meals. They're easy to grow in pots, balconies, or garden beds and bring beauty and nutrition together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more edible gardening tips and natural living ideas.